Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Leadtek GeForce RTX 4090 Winfast Hurricane graphics card. So friend, Leadtek finally launches its GeForce RTX 40 GPU, and friend, the new Winfast is also one of the largest graphics card the company has ever released. And friend, it measuring 35 cm and it is 3 cm longer than its processor and the RTX 3090 Winfast. And friend, it is also thicker and now requiring at least 3.5 slots of space. And friend, the card is equipped with a triple fan cooling design with an X-shaped shroud over 3100 fans and equipped with the Esports LEDs and it is a sleek black or brown metallic design with full cover backplate, and according to the product description, underneath the fan is large heatsink with 8 6 heat pipes. And friend, Leadtek 4090 Winfast Hurricane is based on latest NVIDIA Ada architecture and the semi-custom design packs 16,384 quad cores and 24 GB of GDDR6X memory, and it ships with one 16-pin power connector and default TDP of 450 watt, and company recommended at least 850 watt PSU with 3 8P PCIe cables available. And friend, there is no factory overclocking applied here, and it offers a default 2520 MHz boost clock and 21 Gbps effective memory bandwidth. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.